welcome. How are you? So today's video I am filming a quick eye look using the BH face palettes, and I have so many of them. Each palette that I have is completely different color stories. I wouldn't use as a highlighter or blush or bronzer, so I figured I just do a quick eye look using each of these palettes I'm showing here, and I think that the look I came out with came out pretty good. So here is the finished look. So I hope that's interesting to you, and I am just wishing you a really good day or night, whatever time you are watching. And with all that said, I will start the video right now. Okay, so the first shade I want to take is Buttermilk to highlight my brow bone. And this one would be the Belgian Waffle. Okay, using the same face palette, I am taking a shade called Batter, which is this one here, and I use that as my transitional crease shade. And I am taking my Sigma E40 brush. Okay, so the next face palette I want to take is the one called Tulum. And I want to take the shade called El Castello. This shade right here. And I want to take that in my outer crease. And I am going to be using that iHeart Revolution crease brush. Okay, now here comes the fun part. I am going to be taking Illuminating in Ireland. And I want to take the shade called Golden, which is this one right here. And I'm taking my BH number 7 brush. And I will damp the shade. Okay, so now for inner corner, I'm going to be taking this face palette called Aspen. And I'm going to be taking the shade called Frosted right here. And I'll be taking my JH39 brush. and I will also damp it as well. Okay, so this is it for my eye look. I think the look came out really beautiful and quite simple. Especially this inner corner is really brightening. It's really nice. So I hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial. I'm going to be saying goodnight now. And may God bless always. And I will hopefully see you in my next one. Bye.